Ciao everyone, Claudia Bazaar here with a fun summer recipe for you. How about some grilled tomato mozzarella pizza? You may be loving a caprese salad at the restaurant, right? Who doesn't love tomato and mozzarella? But how about making it as a grilled pizza or even in your oven? So come along with me, and all you need is just a few ingredients. Your favorite pizza dough, I already have one right here. A little bit of olive oil, some Italian seasoning, garlic, mozzarella, tomatoes. That's really it. It's a very simple summer recipe, all right? So let's get going. First, we need to start with our dough and get it rolled out. I love our batter bowls because anytime you're making your own dough or bread or anything like that, you can put the lid on and let it rise and everything stays nicely in here. But this is also great if you're making pancakes and you want to put a lid on it, and it's perfect. So we are going to use, I decided I'm going to use our new sizzling skillet right here and use our cast iron for that. You could of course use your favorite pizza stone, right? Just have some fun with it. So first, in order to get this nice and crispy, we are going to oil some of the bottom of this cast iron, so our dough on the bottom gets nice and crispy. With some good olive oil as usual. And then we're going to roll out our dough right on here. We already have the oven preheated at like 425, 450. And we're gonna get this dough out of here. You can flatten it out first, and then we can use our little roller. Whatever favorite pizza dough you have, you can also go to your local pizzeria and ask them. You can buy it at the grocery store. You can make your own. All depends on how much time you have, right? So I love this baker's roller from Pampered Chef because it allows me to stretch the dough however I want. And I can even use the small side to get right into the corners. Okay. Now, of course, you can make a traditional pizza, whatever works for you. Okay, so since we only have a few ingredients, let's make sure they have a lot of flavor. So we're going to use a little bit more olive oil, and don't go cheap on olive oil, okay? Don't buy light olive oil. Just make sure you buy the good stuff. Aldi has a good one. We're going to add some Italian seasoning. Oops. We're going to spread this all out here in a second. And then we're also going to add some fresh garlic, okay? We're going to use our garlic press here. You can leave the skin right in here. Press it down, and you got yourself some yummy fresh garlic. Now we're going to spread this all around. Now listen, you could just stop here, right? This would be great garlic bread on the grill for your summer gatherings, your family dinners. You could literally just stop right here. But we are not going to. All right, so on to the tomatoes and the mozzarella. So here are our tomatoes, whichever one you prefer. You could even use cherry tomatoes. Like I said, you could use zucchini on top of this as well. And we're going to use our quick slice here. It's very sharp on the bottom, and it's going to allow us to have even slices. There we go. I'm going to leave some room for the mozzarella. Do one more. I like to use our little paring knife to get this middle piece out. And make sure they're nice and firm. See, the first one was a little mushy. This one's already a little better. Super easy to slice your tomatoes. Okay, so we have a fresh mozzarella log here. Make sure you use the fresh one to give it really a lot of flavor. And the quick slice is great for that as well. So here we go. Oh, this is really fresh and really soft. That's okay, we'll make it work. If you have some pesto, you could put some pesto in here, or some fresh basil from your garden. You could just have some fun with it. Now, if you show up with this at the next barbecue, you're definitely gonna have the wow effect, right? People are gonna be like, what is that? Did you make that? Okay, let's do the other half because you can't have too much cheese, right? So this quick slice right here It's great for avocados. You can use it, if you have little kids, you could use it for hot dogs, strawberries, eggs, kiwis, bananas. Just have some fun with it. Okay, I think we need one more tomato. What do you think? All right, let's do one more. And I'm baking it in the oven, but you could put this on the grill as well. Or if you're someone that goes camping, you could do that. See how easy that is to slice? Okay, make sure it all looks nice and pretty, the way you want it to look like. And then we're gonna finish it off with a little bit more olive oil. This is new, by the way. This is Pampered Chef's oil dispenser, so you can measure out your olive oil. I also have one for vinegar. Okay, we're gonna put some more Italian seasoning over it. Okay, and the last thing is we need some salt. There you have it, your Caprese grilled pizza, baked pizza, nice summer treat. We're gonna put it in the oven and then we'll show it to you. All right, guys, it just came out of the oven. You can still, look at the sizzling. So this is why you need the sizzling skillet. You can still hear the sizzle, right? So look at that, doesn't that look amazing? You could even put a little bit extra olive oil on top if you want. Slice it up and enjoy your summer barbecue or your Caprese pizza. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.